Hi, my name is Deepak, and today I am going to give introduction to selection sort. First of all, what is selection sort? Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly finding the minimum element from the unsorted array and swapping it with the first element of the unsorted part. First of all, you can see 20 and 12, and these are shifting. So, what is the time complexity of the selection sort? Selection sort has a time complexity of O n raised to power 2, which means the algorithm's running time grows quadratically with the size of the input. This makes it less efficient for large data sets compared to algorithms with better time complexity such as 0 and log n, algorithms like quicksort or merge sort. So, what is time complexity? And we can see there are three cases: best case, worst case, and the average case. Now, what is the best case for the selection sort? N raised to power 2. And what is the worst case? Worst case is also the same, average case is also the same. The time complexity is the same across best, worst, and average cases because the algorithm performs the same number of comparisons and swaps regardless of the initial orders of the input data. How selection sort works? First of all, we have to find minimum. Identify the smallest element in the unsorted portion of the array. Second one, swap. Move the minimum element of the to the beginning of the unsorted portion. Third, repeat. Repeat the process for the remaining unsorted elements. Selection sort works by iteratively finding the minimum element from the unsorted part of the array and swapping it with the first element of the unsorted portion. This process is repeated until the entire array is sorted in ascending order. Pseudocode for selection sort. The pseudocode for the selection sort algorithm is as follows. First of all, procedure of the selection sort. Repeat n minus 1 times, that is, where n is the number of elements in the array A. Second, find the minimum element in the unsorted part of A. Swap it with the first element of the unsorted part. Fourth, and procedure. Advantages and disadvantages of selection sort. First of all, what is the advantage of selection sort? It can be done in place, no need for a second array. Minimizes number of swaps. It has simplicity. That means selection sort is a simple and straightforward algorithm, making it easy to understand and implement, especially for beginners learning about sorting algorithms. So what is the sorting algorithm? Like it is given here, B, D, A, C. It sorts the array like A, B, C, D in order, in place operation. Selection sort is an in place sorting algorithm, meaning it only requires a constant amount of extra space, making it memory efficient for large data sets. Minimum value of quadratic equation. For a less than 0, f of x will have maximum value at x equal to minus b upon 2a. As you can see, for a greater than 0, f of x will have minimum value, that is x equal to minus b by 2a. Minimal comparison. Selection sort only needs to make n into n minus 1 divided by 2 comparisons, which is fewer than other sorting algorithms like bubble sort, making it efficient for certain use cases. Comparison to other sorting algorithms. We are comparing here with the other sorting algorithms. First of all, time complexity, as we have studied. Selection sort has a time complexity of 0 into n raised to power 2, making it less efficient than algorithms like quicksort and merge sort, which have average case time complexities of O and log n. Second one, memory usage. Selection sort is considered an in-place sorting algorithm, meaning it uses a constant amount of extra space, making it memory efficient compared to algorithms that require additional data structures. Third one, stability. Unlike some other sorting algorithms, selection sort is a stable sort, preserving the relative order of equal elements in the input array. Real world application of selection sort. Despite its simplicity, selection sort has practical applications in the real world. It is commonly used for sorting small data sets or when memory usage is a concern. Selection sort is often employed in embedded systems where processing power and memory are limited. Additionally, selection sort can be useful in situations where the input data is mostly stored or where the cost of swapping elements is high, such as in sorting physical objects. Now, conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, the selection sort is a simple and intuitive sorting algorithm that has a time complexity of O into n raised to power 2, making it suitable for small to medium sized database. Uh, while it may not be the most efficient algorithm for large scale applications, it provides a solid foundation for understanding the principles of sorting and can a useful tool in certain scenarios. Uh, Selection sort is a simple and intuitive sorting algorithm that has a practical uses in various real life scenarios. Its straightforward implementation and stability make it suitable for sorting small to medium sized datasets, especially when memory usage is a concern. One common application is storing databases and spreadsheets where the data size is manageable and the algorithm efficiency is sufficient. Selection sort is also used in embedded systems and resource constrained environments where the simplicity of the algorithm is more important than asymptotic performance. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, selection sort is a simple and initiative sorting algorithm with the time complexity of this, making it suitable for small data sets. While it is not as efficient as algorithms like quicksort or mergesort, selection sort has advantages in certain scenarios and is easy to understand and implement. The key takeaways from the presentations are: selection sort has a time complexity of this, making it less efficient for large data sets. It is easy to implement and understand, making it a good choice for educational purposes. Selection sort can be useful in situations where the input is small or partially sorted. While not the most efficient sorting algorithm, selection sort has its place in the algorithm toolbox. Thank you.